Hello everyone. In worksheet 2, let's discuss about equivalent rational number. Two rational numbers, let the two rational numbers as P upon Q and R upon S. Two rational numbers are said to be equivalent, means these two rational numbers are said to be equivalent. Equivalent means equal. When, if, do the cross multiplication like this. If P multiply S equal R multiply Q. So then the two rational numbers are said to be equivalent. Let's understand this concept with some examples. So suppose that two rational numbers are 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. And if we have to see whether these two rational numbers are equivalent or not, or we can say that the two rational numbers are equivalent or not, so what we will do? We will cross multiply it. If after doing the cross multiplication, if both of them are coming as equal, then it will be equivalent. Let's see it. So cross multiply, 2 multiply 2, 4 and 3 multiply 5, that is 15. So what do you observe here? These two are not equal. So it means that this example, or we can say that 2 by 3 and 5 by 2 rational numbers are not equivalent. Let's take one more example to understand it properly. Suppose that the number is 4 upon minus 7 and next number is yours 8 upon 14 minus 14. So let's see whether these two rational numbers are equivalent or not. So what will be the condition? If we will do the cross multiplication, so 4 multiply minus 14 and this 8 multiply minus 7. If both of them are coming as equal, then it will be equivalent. So in this example, after doing the cross multiplication, both of them are coming as equal. So therefore, 4 upon minus 7 and 8 upon minus 14 are equivalent fraction. Let's understand this concept more clearly with the help of worksheet. Now in worksheet question 1, show that the rational numbers are equivalent. As I have told it, to show it as equivalent, you have to do the cross multiplication. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will do the cross multiplication. 4 multiply 99 and here 44 multiply 9. Cross multiply. Now let's see the calculation. 4 multiply 99. It is coming as 396 and 44 multiply 9. This is also coming as 396. So both of them are equal here. After doing the cross multiplication, both of them are equal. Therefore 4 upon 9 and 44 upon 99 are equivalent. अगर ये इक्वल नहीं आएंगे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद, then you will write it is not equivalent. Similarly, in second part, again do the cross multiplication. Let's see whether we are getting it as same. In the question itself, it has been asked that show that the rational numbers are equivalent. So, it must come as equal. So, if we will multiply both the terms, here we are getting it as equal. So, therefore, 7 upon minus 3 and 35 upon minus 15 are equivalent. Minus 15 are equivalent. Similarly, you can see the third part. Again do the cross multiplication. Minus 3 multiply 20 and minus 12 multiply 50. Cross multiply. So, make sure to do the cross multiplication. So, both of them are coming as equal. So, therefore, minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 20 are, what will you write it? Are equivalent. I think this concept is clear to all of you. Now, next question. In next question, you have to tell that these rational numbers are not equivalent. So, what will you do to show it as not equivalent? So, again you will do the cross multiplication, and after doing the cross multiplication, both the terms should not come as equal. It should not come as equal. So, cross multiplication. So, let's see, 4 multiply 27, it would be 108, and 16 multiply 9, it is coming as 144. So, what do you observe here? 108 and 144, both of them are not equal. So, after doing the cross multiplication, we are getting it as not equal. So, be careful, since it is not equal, so you will put this sign, not equal sign, not equal sign. So, therefore, what will you write it? 4 upon 9 and 16 upon 27 are, what will you write? Are not equivalent. Similarly, you can try the second part. In second part, again you will do the cross multiplication. So, minus 100 multiply 9 and 300 multiply 3. So, it is coming as 900 and here it is coming as 900. But here the sign is minus. So, minus 900 and 900. So, whether these terms are equal or not, these rational numbers, if you will multiply, cross multiply, whether it is equal or not? No, because one is negative and another one is positive. So, these are not equal. So, therefore, minus 100 upon 3 and 300 upon 9 are not equivalent. Not equivalent. Okay. Similarly, in third part, again do the cross multiplication. 3 multiply minus 51 and here 8 multiply minus 17. So, make sure that you have to do the cross multiplication. So, 3 multiply minus 51, so it would be minus 153. And same way, 8 multiply minus 17, so it is coming as minus 136. So, again it is not equal. So, don't forget to put the not equal sign. So, therefore, 3 upon minus 17 and 8 upon minus 51 are not equivalent. Are not equivalent. Isn't it? It's quite easy to understand it. Okay, now come to the question number 3. In question number 3, you have to write 3 rational numbers which are equivalent to the following. Equivalent to the following rational number. So first we will take 4/7. अब आपको ऐसा नंबर एक और लिखना है जो इसी के इक्वल आए, बट द रैशनल नंबर शुड बी डिफरेंट. मीन्स अगर आप उसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं और मल्टीप्लाई कैंसिल करते हैं तो इट शुड कम एज सेम एज 4/7. तो हम क्या करेंगे? यू कैन टेक एनी इंटीजर. आप यहाँ पर 2 ले लीजिए and in the denominator also you will take same integer. So it means with this same integer you will multiply it. So what it would come? 8/14. तो आपके पास 8/14 आ गया. If you will cancel it, again you would be getting 4/7. So this is, you can take one equivalent rational number. Now again you will write the रैशनल नंबर. अब आप किसी और नंबर से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. यू कैन टेक इट -3. एज आई हैव टोल्ड इट, विद द इंटीजर यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. अगर आप न्यूमरेटर में -3 ले रहे हैं, देन इन डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो यू वुड बी टेकिंग सेम नंबर -3. So it would come as -12 upon -21. Now again we will write it 4/7. अब आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहेंगे? We can multiply it with, let it be 4. अब आपने न्यूमरेटर में 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो डिनोमिनेटर में भी 4 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So it is coming as 16/28. So what do you observe? If you will cancel these terms, or we can say if you will write them in the standard form, after writing it in the standard form, again you will be getting 4/7. So it means, what are the 3 equivalent rational number? So we can take 8/14 -12/-21 and 16/28 are 3 rational numbers, equivalent किसके इक्विवेलेंट? किसके इक्वल? इक्विवेलेंट टू 4/7. Okay. It's not necessary that always you have to multiply with these number. Instead of these numbers, you can take any other number also, and in that case you will get this answer as different answer. So it's not necessary that the answer of all the students would be getting same. It depends upon the term, or it depends upon the integer. Whatever you will take it, accordingly you will get the answer. Now come to the third part. In third part, this is second part is also same as this first part, so you can try it yourself. So I am writing it once again, -5/-7. तो आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहेंगे? We can multiply it with 5. As I have told it, न्यूमरेटर में अगर आपने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, then denominator also you will take it same number. So first one is -25/-35. Now we can write it again. You can multiply it with, let it be -3. You can take it -3, and same way in the denominator also you will take it -3. So -5 multiply -3, it would be 15, and -7 multiply 13, it will be coming as 21. Now again we will write it अब आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहेंगे? वी कैन टेक इट, लेट इट बी 7 and in the denominator also you will take it same number. Make sure about their sign also. अगर आपने नेगेटिव इंटीजर लिया है तो नेगेटिव इंटीजर से ही आप डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड इफ यू आर टेकिंग द पॉजिटिव इंटीजर तो आप न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अदरवाइज यू विल बी गेटिंग रॉन्ग आंसर. So as I have taken these three integers over here, so I am getting these three equivalent rational number. Might be you will get different answer if you will take different integers over here. So therefore minus 25 upon minus 35, 15 upon 21 and minus 35 upon minus 49 are three rational numbers, equivalent to 2 minus 5 upon minus 7. I hope this concept is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.